Rajesh sir, a very warm welcome.
Thank you. And I'm extremely grateful to be a part of this outstanding session called Laksh, if I'm not wrong, Laksh Symposium on Career Counseling. Also grateful to DPS Mathura. They have given the opportunity where I can share my experience on in short time about career counseling. Now to begin with, what is a career? I've been working in this field since 1993, 28 years. So what is a career? To define in a simplistic way, career means making your interest or your passion your profession is career. There are two ways to choose career. Way number one, you can choose anything and you say, this is my career for bread and butter. But that's survival career. That's not something which is coming out of passion. At the age of 12, I discovered my passion. I wanted to be a speaker. So once I discovered my passion, then the process started. And then I achieved my goals and my dreams and my. So you need to discover your passion tonight and to convert that passion into a profession in a scientific way with a consistent growth is a career. So there was a research done in US by various universities, and they have invited 100 successful students who are absolutely settled in their career. They are doing wonderful in their career. They are appreciated, they are recognized, they are successful financially, emotionally. And they were asked a simple question. And the question is, what has made you to achieve your goal? And they were given a small paper. So they were given a piece of paper and pen, and they were asked to write down the answer of their success. And each one of them replied. And when all the answers were collected, one single common answer came as a final answer. And the answer was, they said, we knew what we want and we knew how to achieve it. So if you know what you want, let's say you want to go in science, you want to go in commerce, you want to go in art, you want to go in humanity, you should be absolutely clear by the time you clear your 12th that what I want in my life. ऐसा ना हो that आपके अंदर multiple interest हो, multiple hobbies हो. Now multiple interest and multiple hobbies cannot become multiple career. Out of many, my dear friends, you got to choose any. People will come and give you unqualified advice who are not career counselor. हमारे आसपास के environment की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. Do this, do that, do this. But you should meet an expert like I was listening to the speaker before me, and he is a well-known expert. You should meet best of the expert based on your passion कि मेरे को ये करना है and what are the process. Now, moving ahead, let me also come back to two situations. There is one thing called talent and there is one thing called success. All talented people are not successful people. And when I say this, I give an example between two a very famous cricketer whom I'm sure you must be knowing. One is Sachin Tendulkar and the contemporary was Vinod Kambli. And I've been following cricket since my childhood. So Vinod Kambli was a much more talented cricketer than Sachin. Although they were friends, they started together. But in the long run, you will find that Vinod Kambli couldn't make it the way Sachin has made it. So there was a research done between talent and discipline. Which one is the best? And the answer came, if talent is not supported by discipline, you will not achieve your desired career. I use the word desired career. कोई भी career choose करके उसमें थोड़े पैसे कमाना, if that is one option, fine, we can go for it. But choosing a career based on your interest and passion and making it a successful career, I'm talking about that. So you must have heard the story about tortoise and rabbit. Very old story, and every time we see on social media, they keep posting this story with new version. And the story says, Rabbit was absolutely smart. He knew that I have a potential and talent. But at the end, you know who won the game? The tortoise won the game. And what is the reason behind the tortoise won the game? Tortoise was consistent, regular, with proper discipline every day. And rabbit was overconfident and over smart. And this is what happens. This is where we lag. This is what happens in our examination. This is what happened in our career. Sometimes we are overthinker, over smart, and we think at the end of the month and close to the examination, hum isko kar lenge. But overnight, nothing happens. If you are doing things with a proper time management, I call in my own style, power of 3 hours. If you divide your slot with power of 3 hours, 3 घंटे मैं इस पे काम करूंगा या करूंगी, 3 घंटे इस पे काम करेंगे with a small break. So what will happen? Each day you are moving step by step, step by step, step by step. And at the end of the day, end of the year, you come out with a flying color. And in your long career, you are settled. So by the time you should reach 25, you should know मैं कहाँ पे जा रहा हूँ या कहाँ जा रही हूँ. So इसको पाने के लिए first आज रात को क्या काम करना है? You should write what I want, and next you write how to achieve, and paste it everywhere. I call it a visualization technique. Some people call it law of attraction, but I call it a visualization technique. When I decided to become a speaker, my father was a businessman and he was running a shop, ready-made garment shop, and I was least interested in that shop. That was the last thing I would like to do. So I told in my mind, being an only son, my father said, you got to look after the shop. I told in my mind, no way, no way. So I did not tell this thing to my father because he will get angry then. So what I used to do, my college time was 6 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. in the morning. Then 12 o'clock, I used to come back, and 1 o'clock to 6 o'clock, I used to look after my father's business. But in the night, 2 hours, I used to do some research on speaking career. If I wish to become a good orator, good public speaker, what all I need to do. That time public speaking was not that much popular, but I have taken one of the best training in public speaking. Similarly, the kind of career options were given to you before me. In order to choose that option, you need to ask yourself, is it something which is coming from my soul? Or is it something which is coming from outside? Which means that, is it something which somebody is telling me, yaar, tum ye career kar lo, tum ye choose kar lo, ye acha hai. Wo to bahar se aaya. But is it something which is coming out from my blood, from my bone, from my marrow, from my tissue, from my 37.2 trillion tissues, as health experts says. So agar koi bhi career, if it is coming out from your inner world, you will never get bored. It's been 28 years I'm in the field of speaking, and every day I'm excited. Every day I'm passionate. So first thing, in order to achieve your career, choose what you want to become. Then find out an expert कि इसमें आपको वो क्या counseling करें, क्या suggestion. Third thing, between talent and discipline, talent पीछे रह जाता है, discipline जीत जाती है. केवल talent से काम नहीं होता. Many people ask me, what is talent? Talent की simplest explanation है, आपने कोई चीज देखी, you have seen an ability to copy something and deliver as it is a talent. You heard a song, you listened to the song, you copied that song, and you delivered that song. That is an inborn talent. Your natural ability is your inborn talent. But to convert your talent or your passion into a successful profession, you need 4 things. And that is the last part I will explain. You need 4 things. Number 1, you need will. Will matlab absolutely dedication, desire, and commitment. Don't wait for any external sources to motivate you. Absolutely focused. Focus is a beautiful word. It says follow one course until success. Follow one course until success. Last year, there was a girl, and she wanted to take admission in MPhil in clinical psychology. And she crossed her, entrance examination. But even after crossing her entrance examination, she was unable to get the admission as per her desired institution. So I said, do one thing, make a list on a whiteboard, write down top 10 institutions where you want to enroll yourself. And out of 10, 5 she couldn't for some reason. I said, no problem, focus on 5. And out of 5, choose the one which is your now final option. And she has chosen the one through programming, through preparation for the entrance examination. I mean, before taking admission in MPhil, you have to go through many examinations, written and verbal. and now she is in that India's top university and she's doing her MPhil. I have done it practically many times. So what it takes to convert your passion into profession, number one is passion. Number one is will. Find out your level of will. Are you every day motivated to achieve your goal? Number one. The second after will comes skill. There are two types of skill. One is technical skill. If you are expert in computer, that's called technical skill. That's fine. But I'm talking about time management skill. So divide your time management skill. Divide your time management skill on 3 hours basis, power of 3 hours. Then the next skill comes, interpersonal skill. Then the next skill comes how you conceive an idea and deliver the idea, right? Then the next skill comes, which will be absolutely asset for you in times to come, talking skill. If you are wonderful in interacting people, in your voice, in your words, in attracting people, I can tell you, you do not have to chase success. Success will chase you. I repeat, you do not have to chase success. Success will chase you. When I took training, my trainer said, Rajesh Agarwal, apart from your educational qualification, apart from your technical skill, be masterpiece in talking skill. So from today, whichever career you choose based on your passion, be masterpiece in talking skill. See the videos, go through the courses, attend lectures, and be wonderful not only in talking skill, also in writing skill. You should know how to write a good mail, how to paragraph. It should be very attractive. I always say crisp and to the point. So first is will, the second is skill. Now comes the third part. अगर आपने 2 पे गाड़ी छोड़ दी, तीसरा नहीं किया तो फिर आपकी टायर पंचर हो जाएगी. And the third part is knowledge. That आपको बिल्कुल specialized knowledge होनी चाहिए. I will give you some idea about knowledge. Now, 2 doctors graduate from same medical institution. 2 engineer graduates from same engineering institution. One becomes popular, the other not. One becomes successful, the other doesn't. Both have same qualification, same knowledge. But what? The other one who has become successful, he was not limited to his only school or college knowledge. He has added, value added more new knowledge. He attends seminar, he attends training course, he upgrades his knowledge. So I keep telling, either you are updating yourself or you are outdated. या तो आप अपने आप को अपडेट करते हैं या आप अपने आप को आउटडेट करते हैं. So there are 3 types of specialists. One is general physician. The second is specialist. The third is super specialist. So in order to have a knowledge, you got to be absolutely super specialist. आपके काम में आपसे कोई भी question पूछे, you should have the information about that question on your fingertips. आपकी research इतनी बढ़िया होनी चाहिए, and that student aid publication can help you with lovely books they have in the market. They will help you. So you should have complete knowledge about your subject. सारी दुनिया की knowledge रखने की जरूरत नहीं. They say all people are ignorant apart from their own subject. But अपने subject में आपकी specialization knowledge होनी चाहिए. Since I follow cricket a lot, so I'll just quote cricket once again. You must have seen these days in cricket, there are bowling coaches, batting coaches, personality development coaches, communication coaches, psychological coaches. They are all specialized. हर चीज specialized हो गई. So please do not stop only after completing graduation. Graduation has no value. Even MBA, if you're not completing your MBA from a good premium institution, it has no value. I know a guy who has completed his BTech vis-a-vis MBA. What a combination, BTech and MBA. And he is working in an organization in Noida where I stay at 11,000 rupees per month. And I said, how much money you have invested in BTech and MBA? He said, uncle, 7 lakh rupees. And he keeps telling me, aap mere liye koi job arrange kar. Why he is asking me? He should be good enough so that his market value is risen up. People say how to raise market value. This is the way how to raise your market value. You are supposed to become a super specialist in your knowledge. Whether you want to go in computer science, artificial intelligence, that other speakers and coaches and career counselor will tell you कि क्या-क्या streams available हैं. But I will give you a mindset and clarity. इसमें top बनने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा. Or you want to go in agriculture, or you want to go in any other field. Field is not important. The question is, am I passionate to become number one, to give number one? So first comes will, which means you are self-motivated, you are passionate. The second comes skills. In skills, I gave you many skills, but one of the skill which I'm telling you right now is your talking skill. How can you attract more and more people? The third part is knowledge. You got to be absolutely masterpiece in the knowledge, in the field you want to go. And the last part stands for strategy. What all strategy you need to follow? Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. What all strategy you need to follow to achieve your goal? And in strategy, what it comes, do you need to meet any specialized career counselor? You need to buy more and more books so that it will give you proper knowledge. Do you want to explore through YouTube channel, through other portal? Strategy means I'm finding out ways which will help me to achieve my desired goal, desired passion, and my dream. This is called strategy. If you do all these things, so 10 years from now, your passion will become your profession. Your dream will become a reality. And I will wait for the day if it happens. Like the other day, I received a beautiful email from a young boy whom I gave same thing 10 years before. And his dream was to go in Indian Navy. He wanted to see himself in Indian Navy dress with a beautiful cap. So he wanted to go in Indian Navy. So I gave him a formula of 3A, which I'm giving you right now. Make a note. Formula 3A. First A is ambition, which has to be very good, big ambition. The second A stands for attitude, every day consistent in your learning, in your practicing. The third A stands for action. Okay, so daily action, a big ambition, attitude positive, and daily action. So he followed the formula of 3A, and today he's serving in Indian Navy. And he said, Rajesh, he calls me Rajesh Bhai. I said, don't call me sir, bada heavy ho jata, just call me your brother. So he said, Rajesh Bhai, although he's hardly 23, he said, Rajesh Bhai, due to 3A and the way you gave me the clarity today, I'm a part of Indian Navy. So I'm telling you, my own relatives, he wanted to enroll himself in artificial intelligence subject, and today he has joined there. And 4 years from now, his market value will be absolutely risen up. So nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. Just find out your passion and avoid all those things. Final part of my presentation. Avoid all those things which are distracting you. If you find some of your friends are distracting you, say bye-bye. If you see some of the videos are distracting you, say bye-bye. You see, ऐसे नहीं होगा कि मैं सारी दोस्तों को भी संभाल लूं, सब चीज संभाल लूं और करियर को भी डिजाइन कर लूं. ये बहुत डिसिप्लिन वाला काम है. So gracefully depart from those people who are distracting your focus, because ये सारी बातों का एक summary है. If you are focused, then your career will chase you, then success will chase you. If you are not focused, then you will go here and there, and finally you will say, मेरी किस्मत में ये लिखा हुआ था. And that is the worst thing in life. मेरी किस्मत में लिखा हुआ था. No, we have chosen our किस्मत. So with this, I thank DPS, I thank the person who introduced me, I thank the authority, and of course, I thank my beautiful friend Kavita, who was instrumental in bringing me to this show. Thank you very much, everybody.